Let us explore some details on one of the popular serverless data service, DynamoDB. Amazon DynamoDB is a key value and document database that delivers single-digit millisecond performance at any scale. It's a fully managed, multi-region, multi-master, durable database with built-in security, backup and restore, and in-memory caching for internet-scale applications. DynamoDB can handle more than 10 trillion requests per day and can support peaks of more than 20 million requests per second. Many of the world's fastest-growing businesses such as Lyst, Airbnb, and Redfin, as well as enterprises such as Samsung, Toyota, and Capital One, depend on the scale and performance of DynamoDB to support their mission-critical workloads. Hundreds of thousands of Amazon Web Services customers have chosen DynamoDB as their key value and document database for mobile, web, gaming, ad tech, IoT, and other applications that need low-latency data access at any scale. Create a new table for your application and let DynamoDB handle the rest. DynamoDB uses a NoSQL database model, which is non-relational, allowing documents, graphs, and columnar among its data models. A user stores data in DynamoDB tables, then interacts with it via GET and PUT queries, which are read and write operations, respectively. DynamoDB supports basic CRUD operations and conditional operations. DynamoDB enforces replication across 3 availability zones, for high availability, durability, and read consistency. A user can also opt for cross-region replication, which creates a backup copy of a DynamoDB table, in one or more global geographic locations. There are no DynamoDB limits on data storage per user, nor a maximum throughput per table. Amazon DynamoDB offers fine-grained access control, for an administrator to protect data in a table. The admin or table owner can specify who can access which items or attributes in a table, and what actions that person can perform. Access is based on the Amazon Identity and Access Management Service, which manages credentials and permissions. As with other AWS products, the cloud provider recommends a policy of least privilege when granting access to items and attributes. Build powerful web applications that automatically scale up and down. You don't need to maintain servers, and your applications have automated high availability. Build flexible and reusable microservices using DynamoDB as a serverless data store for consistent and fast performance. Amazon DynamoDB has 2 read-write capacity modes for processing reads and writes on your tables. 1. On demand. 2. Provisioned. The read-write capacity mode controls how you are charged for read and write throughput, and how you manage capacity. You can set the read-write capacity mode when creating a table, or you can change it later. Amazon DynamoDB On Demand is a flexible billing option capable of serving thousands of requests per second without capacity planning. DynamoDB On Demand offers pay-per-request pricing for read and write requests, so that you pay only for what you use. When you choose on-demand mode, DynamoDB instantly accommodates your workloads as they ramp up or down to any previously reached traffic level. If a workload's traffic level hits a new peak, DynamoDB adapts rapidly to accommodate the workload. Tables that use on-demand mode deliver the same single-digit millisecond latency, service level agreement, SLA, commitment, and security that DynamoDB already offers. You can choose on-demand for both new and existing tables, and you can continue using the existing DynamoDB APIs without changing code. On-demand mode is a good option if any of the following are true. You create new tables with unknown workloads. You have unpredictable application traffic. You prefer the ease of paying for only what you use. If you choose provisioned mode, you specify the number of reads and writes per second that you require for your application. You can use auto-scaling to adjust your table's provisioned capacity automatically in response to traffic changes. This helps you govern your DynamoDB use to stay at or below a defined request rate in order to obtain cost predictability. Provisioned mode is a good option if any of the following are true. You have predictable application traffic. You run applications whose traffic is consistent or ramps gradually. You can forecast capacity requirements to control costs. DynamoDB supports global tables. It makes a DynamoDB table accessible with low latency in multiple regions. It uses active-active replication model. With global tables, applications can read and write to the table in any region. To use global tables, it must enable DynamoDB streams as a prerequisite.